Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 307th episode and the 6th episode of Ellen's Baking Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some amazing, decadent apple dumplings. And my friends, this is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, make your mouth water, full of apple goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And we're going to make a homemade sauce to go over them. And this will be great to serve for your holiday breakfast or brunch, even for Thanksgiving. Everybody will fall in love with this Southern delight. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions. Also, my apples recipes playlist down below in the description box. So grab your apple cider and your basket sugar because we're about to do some apple picking and bake some apple dumpling magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the apples. I have 2 large Granny Smith apples, or you can use the apple of your choice, and I washed it. So now we're going to peel them, slice, and core them. Alright, my friends, I'm through peeling, coring the apples, and it gave us 12 slices in total. So now we're going to add in the juice of a large lemon. Give it a quick stir. The lemon juice will help the apples from turning brown, and it will give it some flavor. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to make the dumplings. Instead of using the pie crust, we're going to use canned biscuits. And I'm using the A jumbo biscuits. You can use the buttermilk or the original. So we're going to break the biscuit in half. We're going to flatten a little bit. And we're going to take an apple and fold it just like that. And using my fingers, going to close it. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my dumplings and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my apple dumplings together and I put it in a 9x13 inch ungreased baking dish. So now we're going to set them aside while we work on our sugar mixture. Alright, my friends, in my saucepan, I got the fire over medium heat. I have a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, which is 1 stick. And we're going to add in 1/4 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a pinch of ground allspice, which is 1/8 teaspoon. And 1/2 cup each of water and apple cider. And this is my homemade apple cider. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And give this a quick stir. And all we do is bring this to a boil. Alright, my friends, our sugar mixture has come to a boil. So I'll turn the fire off. And the last step, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give that a stir. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to pour the mixture right on top of the dumplings. Alright, my friends, last but not least, we're going to sprinkle our cinnamon sugar. And this is 1/4 cup of white sugar and 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Just going to sprinkle it right on top of the dumplings. Smells amazing. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to put these beautiful dumplings in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 minutes until they're golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it, apple dumplings. Doesn't that look scrumptious? And look at that sauce on the bottom. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. Reminds me of apple pie. Alright, those look great. So now we're going to let our apple dumplings cool, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and you can't have apple dumplings without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. A drizzle of some of that sauce on top. Ooh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Give it some sugar. All right, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Crust. Nice and golden brown. Give me a little of the apple. The apples is tender, flavorful. I love that crunch and that cinnamon sugar on top. It's marvelous. Please give this recipe a try. This is a vanilla bite, and I got me some ice cream. Divine. Apple dumpling-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.